Hey YouTube, welcome back to my kitchen. This is going to be a really quick video. I just want to give y'all a quick update on the salmon cure. If you haven't seen part 1 of this video, go check that out. I will try and leave a link up here. Right now I'm just going to dust off and rinse off the cure, and I'm going to actually soak it for about 15 to 20 minutes in some cool water in the fridge uncovered. And then once that's done, I'll be back to go over the next step before we actually start smoking. Alright, so I got this cure ready yesterday and the salmon thawed overnight. At the 12-hour mark, I did flip it over. I started it skin side down, and at 12 hours I flipped it so the skin side was up. I'm going to go ahead and shake off any extra cure of this rub and then rinse it off, and then I'm going to put it in this baking dish, cover it with water, and let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. This smells really good. I think that dill and coriander is going to be a really nice addition. Now, soaking it is going to help draw out some of the salinity from the cure and make it a little bit more palatable without affecting the safety of the meat. And it'll just chill in here for about 15 to 20 minutes. Later today, I'm planning on doing a fridge, freezer, and pantry tour. I'm not going to probably edit that today, but subscribe if you want to see that. And I haven't done any of my grocery hauls. I've never filmed any of those, but I am planning on filming those starting in 2022, which today is the first day of. So if you like grocery hauls, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will see when those are coming out soon. Well, I changed clothes, but it is the same day. My timer just went off for 20 minutes, so I'm going to take the salmon out of the fridge. So here's how it's looking. Not really a whole lot of change. There is some stuff floating on top of the water besides herbs. It looks like maybe tiny pieces of salt, or more likely just some fat, but I'm gonna drain this into the sink, reserve the salmon, and then I'm gonna keep this in the fridge underneath my drying rack, which will have the salmon on top. Alright, and then this will be my setup in the fridge. I have the baking dish to absorb any liquid that might drip from the salmon as it dries. It's on top of a cooling rack so that air can circulate all around the salmon so that it gets a nice even drying. And this will stay in the fridge. I believe it's set up to 8 hours. 8 hours from now will be about 11 p.m. and we won't be ready to smoke it, but we are going to smoke it first thing in the morning. So stay tuned. I will update y'all when it's time to smoke it, and that'll be a separate video. But make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't already so that you get notified when that video comes out, and I'll see you later. Bye guys!